Which one? I don't know. See a purple bunny.
That's cute. He looks softy.
He is soft.
Cute.
Reese's Pieces and then stuff. Yes.
Peeps.
Peeps. Reese's Pieces eggs. I wanted these. He got his color cups.
Oh, perfect. We needed those.
Yeah. Looks like he noticed. And then some fun classic cotton candy.
Yummy.
And then 4 wing pops. And they're all blue raspberry. Then I saw Kinder Joys and apparently the frozen ones that I wanted.
The what are they?
The frozen ones, look.
Frozen what?
The frozen Kinders.
Oh, yeah. Oh, those are good.
Ugh.
Let's turn on the heat.
4 wing pops.
Oh, my goodness.
4. And you say them when Dad comes home.
Oh. Looks like the Easter Bunny knows you, huh?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. What's in that big old basket behind you?
A yummy basket. A pink ribbon. Wow, he knows me. That's why I know how to untie it. There's so many eggs.
Yeah, they're all over in here.
Yeah.
And they're outside too, you said?
Yeah.
What in the world?
Did you see my golden eggs?
Mm-hmm.
There's some on the chairs.
These ones are colorful inside?
Yep. The colorful ones inside.
Oh my gosh,
and
there are so many.
And there's colorful ones outside and inside. And then my golden eggs are outside too.
Careful.
I want to take that ribbon. It's a purple beauty basket. A pink one, actually. Honestly, these stickers look like Ultra Life.
Cute. I love that little basket inside. Here, let mommy help you, baby. Come here.
It's purple and pink. Ooh, and blue. He knows it loves blue.
Mm-hmm. You're so funny.
And then he got me a big, huge Reese's egg. And then he definitely knows me because I love these. And there's 3. And then there's a uni one. A unicorn.
You got another fun dip thingy?
Wow, I've gotten those all year.
You have gotten those a lot this year.
I have like 5 inside my room.
Oh, those are cute little stickers, huh?
Look, this cute little Easter bunny. Oh.
There you go.
Money. How does he have all that? He has all these coins. How?
You got money in those ones?
Yep. Money inside my room. There's some out in the yard too.
I would put your shoes on. Or just be careful.
Oh, I got it. Open it. Welcome to College Baking Show. Today we're baking ham.
put this away for me, please? Okay, so normally we just use the Aunt Jemima buttermilk pancake mix. No, Jemima. But I always add in a couple extra things to make them a little bit more fluffy, and they just taste so, yeah, they just taste so much better.
They're like really, really fluffy and squishy.
So I just do pure vanilla extract.
Decided.
I just kind of eyeball it, pour a little bit in there.
Yeah.
And then I always add a little bit of lemon. This is what gives it like the fluff to it. So I use real lemon and I just squeeze it right in there.
We don't use lemon juice, we use actual lemon, like farm lemon.
Yep. I'll go throw that away.
Okay.
Thank you, my little helper girl.
Can I eat it?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, can I mix?
And then we whisk it up.
Yep.
So this leaves it, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not, but this leaves it like super thick. So it's not runny at all. So I'm gonna try to record as much as I possibly can today, throughout the day. I'm gonna be cooking a whole bunch, so you're probably gonna see a lot of cooking videos, but I've got the ham already going. I'm making some breakfast right now, and then I'm gonna start in on my Easter cooking for dinner tonight. Easter breakfast, we got giant pancakes.
Yep.
We got giant pancakes, we got egg, we got sausage, and then we've got sparkling white grape juice for our champagne flutes.
Yep.
Morning mimosas. And then Mrs. Bunny over here. Or is it a boy?
Mr.
Mr. Bunny?
Oh, Mr. Purpleson.
Mr. Purpleson?
Yeah, because he's purple.
You're such a goofball. Alright, well now we are going to make apple pie. Homemade apple pie. I've never made homemade apple pie before. So we are going to see how this ends up. So it says do 1 1/4 cup of flour. Got that. And then it calls for 2 tablespoons of sugar. Teaspoon of salt, but I don't have like regular table salt, so I'm just gonna throw some salt in there. So what it says to do is just combine all the dry ingredients and then chill it. Also, I don't have a food processor, so I'm gonna use my Ninja because I don't have a food processor, so we're just gonna have to make do with what we got. So once this is chilled, oh, I'm making a big old mess. It's all right. It's all right. First time. Okay. So it says to cut in the butter into the blender. Oh, it says I can use a blender. So then you just put a 1/2 cup of butter in. And I don't have like regular like cubed butter. I'm a fat girl, so I like this kind of butter. So hopefully this doesn't affect my crust. I mean, if it does, then I guess I'm just really gonna be making like an apple casserole type of thing. But that's fine. Whoa. Wow. Can you see it's like doing something? Or is that my hand was probably in the way, huh? Wow. It's like dough. It's like actually dough. I made dough, you guys. Okay, so here is my ugly apple pie. I feel like I did okay for my first time ever making an apple pie, but you know, I learned a lot, and hopefully next time it will turn out better. What are you doing, Rosie?
Done eggs. Pink, green, yellow, orange, blue. Punk, guan, yellow, blue, and orange. Yes.
So the baby colored some eggs. That's her special one. It's like tri-colored. Very gentle because they're very, remember how I told you they're super,
Yeah, the white eggs, so
they
they'll
stick. I tried, I put baking soda in it too when I cooked it, and it actually is helping a lot, huh? It's feeling way better than the other day.
Yeah. Why'd you put baking soda in it?
I looked it up online and said that it helps you peel the eggs better. That it won't stick, the shell won't stick to the egg itself. Look at this one's green.
Mine's kind of yellow. Looks like it. Pink.
Oh look, it cracked through and so it got dye on the egg.
Feel.
I know, it's like rubbery, huh?
Yeah.
Weird, huh? Oh, did you write on that one?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even get to see it.
What you do before you open the egg is you kind of crack it on the counter like everywhere. I don't think you could see it. But kind of crack it
I wonder
everywhere.
why it's so blue. I
Yeah.
don't know why my video quality is so blue.
It's probably because of light.
Yeah, but that's the light I use all the time though, sweetheart. Finally, we are done cooking and we are ready to eat. Yeah!
And we made deviled eggs our favorite.
Deviled eggs!
Deviled eggs. Hey guys, I'm heating up a peep for my first time. The little baby peeps. They're yellow, and there's 10 of them, and I got them for Easter.
You want me to help you open it?
No, it's mine. This is my video. I'm taking over this channel.
Bum, bum, bum.
Is that really gonna happen? Okay. Take out the bottom half. How many should I do?
Just one.
Okay, let's put it in. How long?
I don't know, like do like 20 seconds maybe?
20 seconds. I'm gonna grab my stool. Yellow. 20. I'm scared. What? Whoa! Imagine if it pops. Whoa.
Okay, turn it off. Open it.
Whoa! It's deflating.
Yeah.
This is
Don't touch it, it's gonna be hot.
I want to touch it.
It's gonna be hot,
I
honey.
want to touch it.
Way
You're
cool,
just
huh?
making me want to touch it.
So even though every single ounce of my body did not want to put all the food away, I do all the dishes. I did. Okay, we got the dishwasher going. Plus we've got all of these dishes. And then we still got more over here. So, yeah, there's that. But I cleaned up the kitchen. So, I'm proud of myself. It took a lot of effort to get off of that couch, okay? After eating so much, I was like, nope, never mind, it doesn't even matter. But it does, because that was a lot of food. So, Ava helped me put it away, and we are finally powering down for the night.
I'm eating my peep.
You what?
I'm eating my peep that I just warmed up. It tastes like a butt marshmallow. Really good though. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button, and subscribe.
Alright you guys, well we are powering down. Like I said, we're going to find a movie to watch and kind of just chill for the rest of the night. Kind of still gotta digest our food, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we ate so much, but it was fun.
And if you didn't see the pop light where I said it still tastes like a butt marshmallow, but it tastes good, we went to that and it's really funny.
Alright you guys, well, we love you guys so much, and we will see you guys in our next vlog, I guess. Yeah, because I've got...
Turn on those notifications.
Turn on them notifications.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
You know, actually, I think I'm going to do it this way, that way. No? Nope, you have to do it this way. Gotcha. So apparently you have to have it this way. Ah! Yuck. Don't mind my egg. I ruined my egg, but
Mine too. Mine's black.
that's just from the sausage, babe.